check out what's coming up for sale at auction in Annville, Pennsylvania. We have a Kabota L48 diesel tractor with only 480 hours. Equipped with a front-end loader, backhoe attachment, cab, and heater, you can work all year round in this workhorse. Take a look at this classic 1983 Ford F250 with a dump. Buying it for your collection or using it as a work truck, it is sure to capture attention. This 7,000-pound four-post lift is a must-have for any auto shop or garage and is ready to elevate your work to the next level. We have an Odin 7,000-watt gas or LP generator. It's perfect for keeping you powered up during outages or when off the grid. So many must-haves for woodworkers, including a joiner, table saw, dust collector, DeWalt planer, and Cobalt miter saw. Check out this flatbed trailer. Equipped for hauling cars, equipment, material, and more, it has brakes, LED lights, and is ready to haul. Known for its speed and maneuverability, this Skag Cheetah zero-turn mower is ideal for professional landscapers or homeowners with large properties. Auto Shop, we have a sheet metal brake, a torch, a drill press, a transmission jack, welders, a sandblaster, assorted cabinets, a spray booth, heavy-duty hydraulic jacks, a press, an engine lift, and so many other must-haves for anyone working on cars or trucks. If you have a large property, don't forget to check out this Case 885 tractor with loader, a 6-foot Farm King snowblower, a 3-point mower, a log splitter, a Boland's tractor with a dump trailer, snowblower, and mower deck. And my favorite, a vintage black hole pinball machine with a lower playing field. This is in complete working condition and is a great addition to any game room or man cave. Be sure to register now and bid early on these items. The bidding for these incredible assets begins to close at 7 p.m. on Thursday, October 10th.